Hey, can you believe we're already halfway through the year? If you set big goals back in January, now's the perfect time to pause, reflect, and recalibrate. Let's make sure you're not just drifting along, but actually making progress you're proud of. Step 1. Revisit your original goals. Pull out that journal, open your notes app, or dust off your vision board, wherever you wrote them down. Read each goal and remember why you set it. Was it about career growth, better health, deeper relationships, or something else? Reminding yourself of your why gives your goals power, even if they feel out of reach right now. Next up, let's measure your progress, but keep it simple. Try the traffic light method. For every goal, ask, am I green on track, yellow, needs a boost, or red off track? For example, read 12 books. If you finish 6, that's green, keep it up. Exercising 3 times a week, but only making it once? That's red, time for a change. Saving up for something big but you're halfway there? Yellow, review your strategy. This honest check-in might sting a little, but it's the only way to move forward. Now reflect, what's actually working? Which habits or routines helped you stay consistent? And what tripped you up? Was it your schedule, motivation, or maybe just life getting in the way? Be honest with yourself. Are any goals no longer relevant? Or maybe they just don't excite you anymore? Here's the big one. Adjust, refocus, or let go. It's totally okay to pivot. If a goal feels out of sync with where you are now, update it. Break big goals into smaller, bite-sized steps. And if something just isn't serving you, drop it. Free up space for what really matters. Finally, set a mid-year action plan. Pick 2 or 3 key goals to prioritize for the next 6 months. Break them down into weekly or monthly milestones. And get help. Use habit trackers, ask a friend to check in, or set digital reminders. Little systems make a big difference. Bonus time, grab your journal and try these prompts. What am I most proud of so far this year? What's one thing I want to do differently in the next 6 months? And how do I want to feel on December 31st? That's it, your halfway check-in. Take a breath, reset your focus, and let's make this year your best one yet.